Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So, first you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the option called heart rate, and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. And here, you should see this menu on the screen. Now, I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor, and we can tap on this icon at the bottom of the screen to start the measurement. As you can see, it has problems with detecting my finger, so let's try this one. And after a couple of seconds, we have the result. And if you want to measure again, you can simply tap on the button again right here. You can also check the progress for the whole day, as you can see, and you can swipe up and down on the screen to see more options like resting heart rate, the heart rate zone, and also the heart rate zone like relaxed, warm up, and fat burning. Okay. And once you're done, you can basically press the crown button to go back to watch face and close this widget, or widget, I would say. You can also enable or disable auto heart rate measurement. To do it, you will need to grab the phone with which the watch is paired. Basically, your watch needs to be paired with a phone. Let's bring the phone right here, zoom out so you can see the whole screen. Okay, like this. And once you have the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the Zap application on it. Let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the Zap application, you should see the home page. Then tap on the profile icon, find the Amazfit GTS 3 on the list, tap on it. And on this page, select the option called Health Monitoring. And here we have auto heart rate monitor option, and we can tap on it. As you can see, we have option called measuring frequency, basically how often the watch will measure the heart rate automatically. And we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. And also the last option is turn off. So for example, let's say I select 5 minutes and then tap on OK. Now my watch will measure the heart rate automatically every 5 minutes. And if you, of course, select off, it's gonna be turned off. Remember though, more frequent you will measure the heart rate automatically, so it's gonna decrease the battery life, basically. So if you measure it more frequently, it will affect the battery life on your watch. That's basically it. So be aware of that. By default, it's turned on 10 or set to the 10 minutes, but you can change it if you want. Also, you can enable or disable the option to active heart rate monitoring. Basically, what this option does is it will detect physical activity and then it will increase the monitoring frequency. So it's gonna monitor your heart rate more frequently if it detects that you're performing some kind of activity like running and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can close the application. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.